If you're experiencing account sync issues in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back up. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use your game launcher Steam, GOG, or Epic Games to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as needed. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your account from the game settings. This can help refresh your account connection and resolve sync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.